Okay, Kim, let's do the twist. Twist ba yun? Mag-twists ka kaya muna.
Have a twisted good time with Goya Pretzel Twist.
Sa akin, Goya Twist ang real pretzel. Enjoy life, enjoy Goya!
So, saan kayo titira ng anak ko after the wedding? Yung bahay sa likod for sale.
Expectations. Are they making things difficult? Let's make it easy. BPI. Talk to us.
Tuloy-tuloy ang
Mommy, tell us a story!
about Goldilocks.
Yes!
Once upon a celebration, the bears came to play. Numbers jumped all day. Balls bounced away. Sa Goldilocks Celebration Cakes, create your Goldie Best stories. At dahil Goldilocks,
Wait happily ever after.
you're the one, Goldilocks.
Deep within the camellia leaf are nature's strong whitening ingredients. Pond's White Beauty Naturals, a light, non-sticky moisturizer that reduces dark spots and gives pinkish white skin. Pond's White Beauty Naturals. Simulan ang tamang pag-aalaga. Simulan sa Propan TLC Drops. May vitamins and minerals, tulong sa tamang paglaki, lakas, at linaw ng isip sa tamang panahon. Simulan sa Propan TLC Drops, tulong sa tamang lusog for children.
Effective talaga. Kita mo naman. Mura lang. 250. Napaka-affordable.
I use KB as an antioxidant. It helps me a lot, especially in my line of work.
I use KB because it helps me become stress-free. I love KB.
KB. White that works.
Discover what SNL can do for you.
Ang cute niya. Ay, kulang.
And now, contestant number 9. Why did you win this contest?
Ay, kulang.
Ano pa ba ang kulang?
Kulang sa tangkad at talino? Mag High Smart Multivitamins. Punong-puno ang High Smart with essential vitamins and the right amount of taurine, lysine, and zinc that can help your child grow taller and smarter.
Hi Smart, pangpuno ng kulang.
You know smoking is bad for your health. In fact, secondhand smoke is even worse for you. There's pollution, dust, and allergens that are harmful to your lungs. To protect my lungs, I take Lung Care Plus every day. It has 21 herbs and ingredients that may help protect and strengthen your lungs and let you breathe better. Ayos ba mga tol? Ang galing ko mag-English ano? Dibdibang usapan kasi to. Dibdibang depensa para sa baga.
Only one thing fuels life. Nothing should stop you from giving your best every day. Take Life Oil daily and complete your passion. I feel
Pare! Sir, order niyo po. Oh. Roast beef sandwich. Paborito mo. Touch ka ba?
Aramedy Alisingaw is triamcinolone acetonide, instant singaw relief in just a few minutes.
Pare?
Teka! Galit-galit na! Libre!
Ganun ha? Akin na to, wala kang panila.
Kahapon ka pa hindi kumakain na.
Ayaw.
May singaw ka pala. Alam mo naman may solusyon si nanay dyan. May Oramedy Alis Singaw. Isang pahid lang, hindi na masakit ang singaw. Oramedy Alis Singaw.
Introducing Organic Acai Berry Drink, packed with powerful antioxidant and health nutrients that promote overall beauty and wellness. Available on the following drugstores. For inquiries, call 0922-888-7883.
Memory loss, signs of aging, weak immune system. Sa bilis ng panahon, hindi mo namamalayang naaabusin na ang iyong katawan. Buti na lang may Circulant 4-in-1 with 4 herbs na tumutulong para sa overall good blood circulation. Ginkgo biloba that aids in enhancing memory and concentration. Lemon balm that helps normalize sleeping patterns. Garlic oil that helps strengthen the immune system. And hawthorn berry that helps promote youthful glow. Circulant helps you look and feel young. Circulant.
Robust enhances male potency. May 4 na ancient herbs na nagpapataas ng libido at sexual performance ng mga lalaki. Satisfaction guarantee. Sa Robust, titibay ang inyong pagsasama. Available in drugstores nationwide.
Doble-doble ang mga chikiting dito.
Bossing!
Kaya doble labada. Mrs., kung mag-Tide ka para tipid.
Dalawang sachet gamit ko sa dobleng labada. Mas mahal pag Tide.
Eto, Tide doble, 850 lang. Kaya lahat yan.
Dobleng laman.
Ibuhos na sa una.
Oh, ang puti.
Sa pangalawa, ayos.
Tapos nga lahat sa isang Tide.
Yeah! Tipid, Tide, bossing sa kaputian. Nya. Doble.
850 lang!
It's Mom's way to make you feel better naturally. It's a painless way to be your best self. It's about looking and feeling young. It's a chance to spend time with the grandkids. Pascual Lab's passion is to know us better, to provide every family member with products that may not just cure, but care, not just prolong, but improve the quality of life.